Good evening, Dr. Cullen and peers. My name is Elvin Green. I'm just going to get right to my introduction. My previous work experience with adults who had severe psychiatric disorders or have been diagnosed with DSM disorders was a few years back when I was a primary care therapist at the Adult Consortium on 451. We dealt with individuals who had an array of disorders from manic depression to schizophrenic disorders, and that would be auditorial or hallucinations or both. Um, it was a great experience for me. I ran groups. I had a total of about 12 consumers. I ran individual groups and I ran group therapy. Uh, it was a great experience, like I said. I learned a lot. And the one thing that I um, took from that is to be able to work with that type of population. The number one key is um, not to project any fear and also to acknowledge them as human beings, although they may be going through some things that may prevent them from behaving as such or behaving as proper adults from society's point of view. Um, we would I would daily, prior to meeting with my consumers, we would have treatment plan meetings in the morning where we spoke with the doctor, spoke with psychologists. Um, I will provide my assessment of my consumers that I've been working with, whether or not they needed their medications increased or decreased or changed. Uh, that was the extent of my cooperation on the treatment level team as it related to my consumers with DSM disorders. Um, so that was I was there for about maybe 6 years. I enjoyed every moment, as I stated earlier, and I look forward to the information that I can add on to the knowledge I already possessed, and learn to be more adept in the field. Thank you. I look forward to the class.